I will pick you up today.
Really, Dad?
Yes, I promise.
I am ready. Have a good day.
See you after school. Learn something new today.
I will, Dad.
I will see you later.
Your school day is over.
My dad is coming.
Okay, Noah.
Where is my dad? He may be coming soon. I hope so. Dad is late. Maybe there is traffic. Maybe.
Why is he not here?
Do not worry.
I miss my dad.
I cannot see Dad. Keep waiting here. Okay. Dad always comes on time. Today may be different. I feel worried.
Let us call your dad.
Yes, please.
He may answer.
He did not answer. Maybe he cannot answer.
I hope he is okay.
I am late. Noah is waiting. I must get there. My car stopped. Is everyone safe? Yes, I am safe. The car has a problem. Noah is waiting. I will come soon.
Your dad is okay. Really? Yes, he is coming. I feel better now.
Good.
Dad is safe. Now we can wait.
I can wait.
Stay here with me.
Dad, you came!
I am here, Noah.
I was waiting for you. I was worried about you.
I am sorry I was late.
I am just happy you are here. I learned to stay calm. Always stay safe and ask a trusted adult for help. If you liked our story, like, subscribe, and share.
Did you like our story?
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Everyone, moral of the story: stay calm when someone is late. Always stay in a safe place. Tell a trusted adult if you are worried. Do not panic when things go wrong. Be patient and trust the people who care for you. Thanks for watching.